Hey, this is Amy with Feller Roofing, also known as the RooferChick. Today we're going to focus in on a project that we recently did in Universal City. Now on this project, the homeowner had originally called his insurance, USAA, and they came out and looked at the roof and didn't feel there was enough damage to warrant a claim. And unfortunately, sometimes that's just the case. The homeowner was selling the home and moving, and it came up on his inspection report that basically the roof had to be replaced. The shingles were delaminating and it was just time for a new roof. The homeowner didn't want to spend a ton of money on the new roof since he was selling the house, and so we installed a quality dimensional shingle, and the color that he selected was weathered wood. So as you can see in these photos, we tear the roof off, all the way off down to the decking, and that way we're able to inspect the decking to make sure that it doesn't have any damage. If it does have damage, then we spot repair generally those areas that have damage. This roof didn't have any, so we were able to put down new underlayment. We used a synthetic and then put the shingles on top of that. We absolutely love the way that this roof turned out. It changed the whole look of the house from the exterior. I'm Amy Feller at Feller Roofing, the home of the RooferChick. Thanks for checking out this project highlight.